Alright. This is never ending. I'm taking apart the waffle stitch blanket to redo it. And I think this yarn is going to look really, really pretty in the lace stitch. So, that's what I'm doing now. I'm taking it apart to put the lace stitch in. Now, once I get down to my chain, I'm going to take some of the chain out. But it's not going to be a whole lot. Because this blanket is going to grow faster than what it will with this stitch. The lace stitch is a fast growing stitch that I found so far. Yes, my mom has shown me the granny stitch, but I don't think that this one right here will look good. It would look good in a granny stitch, but I don't have a whole lot of time to, because I got one niece, great niece, that's getting ready to have her baby within 2 weeks or less. So I got to get her blanket done. And this one right here, I'm not sure when she's due, but she's getting a blanket as well. I kind of want to have them done so that way, at least this one done, so that way whenever they get home from the hospital, they can actually be covered up with this one, with these blankets, because it is cold right now. And the stitch that I'm going to be doing, which is the lace stitch, I was looking back at my daughter's that my mom made for her. Almost the same colors as this. And it's the same exact stitch that my daughter's baby blanket is. Stay tuned.